新年快乐，恭喜发财。Today we'll be making Golden Chef Australian wild abalone with 4 treasure. Before we start to cook the dish, we must rehydrate and flavor the dry mushrooms. Now why I use Chinese black mushrooms is because it has that woody flavor. Place it on the cutting board where you get at 45 degrees. So colorful vegetables are very good for our body because it's very healthy. It's full of vitamins and nutrients. Hong Kong Kai Lan stem, just cut them evenly, not too thick. Well, so you have it, brown, red, yellow and green. And now we come to the star of the ingredient, the Golden Chef Australian wild abalone. So beautiful. I can tell you that the texture is really good. These abalone are ready to eat from the can. Right? So all the vegetables are already cut and I'm going to arrange it nicely onto this plate. 这是我们吉祥四宝加上我们金厨师鲍鱼，吃了年年有余。A smart way to prepare this dish is while the vegetables and abalone is steaming, we can prepare the Golden Chef abalone sauce. All you need to do is place all the ingredients into this saucepan, bring it to boil. Mix it well. I'm going to thicken it with the potato starch, the dark sauce, and the sesame oil. It's that simple. So let's check our steam ingredient. Wow! It's so beautiful and so colorful. It brightens up the new year. Now it's tasting time. The mushroom is so fragrant. The abalone, tender, chewy. Of course, the sauce bring out the entire flavor. Has that New Year mood. With quality ingredients and a smart cooking device, you're sure to impress during this Chinese New Year. 在这里，我祝大家新年快乐，万事如意，心想事成，恭喜恭喜！